He begins to weave a mat of sticky silk. As the strands dry, they tighten and lock him inside the leaf, where he sheds his skin in safety, emerging not as a butterfly, but as a more colourful caterpillar. Now, rather than blending in, he stands out and is already turning heads. But there is method to his madness. Sporting huge eye-like spots, he rears up, impersonating something that strikes fear into even the most persistent predators. A snake. But this alone is not enough to convince a sharp-eyed starling. So the spice bush takes his deception to the next level. He flicks out a horn-like organ called an osmeterium. His very own imitation forked tongue, designed to disperse a foul-smelling acid into the air. It's a flawless performance, fooling a predator 30 times his size.
The fork-leaved sundew is a carnivorous plant covered in long, red glandular hairs, each tipped with a glistening droplet of liquid. This beautiful nectar-like substance is irresistible to passing insects. In reality, it is a sticky trap. These sparkling droplets are a kind of mucilage that emits a strong fragrance, serving as an irresistible delicacy for insects. Once the fork-leaved sundew detects prey caught in its trap, its tentacles activate, curling toward the prey to maximize contact points and completely envelop it. Initially, the insect struggles in panic, but it quickly grows exhausted and becomes engulfed in the sweet nectar, making escape impossible. This process typically takes about 15 minutes, after which digestion begins. The sundew secretes large amounts of digestive enzymes, gradually breaking down the insect's body. After 10 days, the plant fully absorbs the nutrients it needs, and its leaves and glandular hairs reopen, ready to start another round of trapping.